Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about the jungle tour or the plants planted by my father. I call it is like a jungle because it's not at all planted garden or the plantation is not planned. So now it has turned like a small jungle. So let's see all the plants planted by my father. So this is the Parijat plant or tree, small tree you can see. So now it's a morning time, so you will get to see the flowers. Because of this plant there is a canopy has developed here. Now this Parijat plant is going in outside direction to get the sunlight. So it's all going that way. Now this canopy is formed because of this Parijat plant and this vine, that is a Madhumalati vine. Here is the main stem of Madhumalati. It has gone up. So now I climbed up and you can see the top view of the canopy. Now he has made this kind of a planter. A small wall is there and inside there is a soil. So this is not a planter, this is not any kind of a gamla. He has made this kind of arrangement to plant the plants. Now I just wanted to share you these wiry roots. Now these are the wiry roots. These are again going in the soil. Now these are the roots of Giloi plant or Amrutvel. Now you will get to see somewhere that Amrutvel, now it has gone up, and now that Amrutvel, Madhumalati and Parijat is because of these three plants, this canopy has formed. This is Amrutvel or Giloi called in Hindi. This is Kaner. They all have gone tall, so I can't go to that level. This is a hibiscus plant. Right now there are only 2 flowers. Generally we get 6-7 flowers this plant gives. Now this is in this kind of a gamla. Now this is almost more than 1 feet, 1.5 feet. Now as I am moving ahead, this is a planter in which there is a kind of a vine. Let's see what vine is this. This vine is going here. There are birds and it's about to flower. Now let's go ahead and see what kind of flowers are those. Birds of hibiscus. This is that vine. Such 3 leaves. And if I'm going ahead, these kind of flowers of the vine, and see, this is the bean. Now in Marathi we call it as a ghevda bhaji. These are the beans of ghevda. On top also there are some beans are there. These flowers are also very beautiful in color, lavender color flowers. On top there are Madhumalati flowers. I can't reach there. So this is basically the vine of ghevda beans. Now as you can see this garden, or I call it jungle. This is a jungle for me. It is not planned and planted. So one vine is coming from here, one vine is coming from there, one branch is coming. So it is like that. So here this is a fluffy ruffle pot and it is hanged to one branch. And now this plant, or this is a small tree of a kamini plant. This is a kamini plant. This is very common Indian plant which is very good to form a canopy. It is a flowering plant. The fragrance of flowers is very beautiful, sweet fragrance you will get of this plants. I will upload the pic of the flowers also. And this if you see the branches, they are very strong. The branches are also very strong, so you can hang a small planters, not very heavy, small planters or like a Spanish moss you can plant on the branches of this, or any kind of understory plants you can plant underneath this canopy of a kamini plant. Now this kamini plant, the kind of a canopy this plant is giving, it is very comfortable for various birds to settle on the or to rest on the branches of this plant. Now I am moving further. Now this is the next small tree is of a Kauti Champa, or we call it Kauti Chafa, as it is the flower that comes in a shape of an egg. So it is a Kauti Chafa. It's an evergreen plant, sun-loving plant. It's going tall, and throughout the year it will give you flowers. This is a bird of Kauti Chafa. And there are some petals also falling here. These are the petals of Kauti Chafa. When that flower blooms, it looks like an egg, so it is called as a Kauti Chafa. All over the year, this plant will give you flowers. Evergreen plant. Moving ahead, this is a Sontakka plant. Now all these planters or these gamlas are very heighted. They are almost 1.5 feet tall. This is a vine of Giloi plant. This one. Now this is climbing on the house. This is a curry leaves. plant. This is a betel leaf. This is a betel leaf vine is planted in this half part of a drum. This is all betel leaf planted here. Haldi plant. This tree is of a drumstick. There are 2 trees here. Let me take you more closer. You can see there are 2 trunks, huge trunks of a drumstick plant, and it has gone almost 30 feet tall. Now next to this, this one is a drumstick. This is a bakul plant, bakul tree. This has gone up. This is a canopy formed by bakul plant. All these plants are almost 30 years old. Now this next plant is of Ramphal plant, Ramphal tree. I should not say plant to this. These all are trees now, and this is the canopy of the Ramphal. Now this is a this is a gobar gas plant. This wire, this tube or this pipe, it goes directly inside. And there is a stove. This tube is connected to stove, and the gas comes out from this stove, and inside there is a stove on which you can cook food. This is a gobar gas plant. I will try to make the video on this also. Now next to this gobar gas plant, this is a neem tree. It's growing diagonally as it's not getting sun from front side, so it's growing diagonally in the search of a sun. Now this is a crotons. Now this, as you can see, this croton has gone to dormancy as it's a winter is going on. During the summer season, it will go to the peak of its coloration. Now see the leaves. It's a perfect example of dormancy. All the oil cans are recycled and used here. Okay, now after this croton, this is a kind of a blackberry plant, not yet fruited. This is, this planted by me, this one, Nephrolepis. Next, this is another tree of a bakul plant. See the canopy. See the area covered by this bakul canopy. and this is a season where when we get the flowers of this tree. I got habitual of using the word plants, so I'm using the word plant only. Now all these trees, it's like a house for all the birds to build their nest. This baku is of almost 25 years old. See the growth of a trunk. Next to it is a Madhumalati vine that is climbing again on the bakul tree. This is a Giloi vine. I just want to focus on the birds of bakul. Yes, see this one. These are the birds of bakul. This one is another hibiscus plant, red hibiscus, which is planted in this normal paint color container. Arvi, tulsi, holy basil, aparajita plant. All these plants are planted in this color container. Now I have come to the starting point. Let me show you. This is the ripe fruit or berry of the bakul plant, which falls on the ground, and that the seed of it falls on the ground and it gives a new plant. Parijat flowers on the floor. So I came to again the starting point of this video. Every day I'm observing one bird. He comes and he sits on this branch.